Are you ready to nail party?
Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails, and today I'm so excited to introduce to you Yvett Garcia, celebrity nail technician from Van Nuys, California, and Yvett is going to be doing a beautiful nail design for you today. And Yvett, is there anything you would like to say to our nail technicians?
Yes, remember to charge for your work. No matter what level you're at, know your worth and just be confident about it. And as you grow, just continue increasing those prices. And the more confident you are,
Absolutely.
Clients won't have a problem paying for it. Just know that you're worth it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, you're worth it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails,
Nails are always fun and never feel like work.